Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here from YouTube. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how ICP has hit 1 terabyte of smart contract space. This is huge. We're going to be talking about the lawsuit Dfinity has against Facebook Meta. And then we'll be talking about a little bit of price action. So let's get into this. So welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're going to start things off on the right foot by talking about the total canister state on Internet Computer has exceeded 1 terabyte. This is huge. This is so much larger than Ethereum and so many more cryptocurrencies. So big shout out and congratulations to everyone at Dfinity making these accomplishments and all the supporters, things like that. So this is huge. 1 terabyte. I do think that we are going to see this increase significantly once they integrate Bitcoin and Ethereum specifically. So by now you guys might have heard that Dfinity has filed a lawsuit against Facebook Meta over the Infinity logo. This is very important that you listen to this. The court filing is not based on Meta's logo using the Infinity symbol itself, but rather on registering a trademark for use in fields offering similar goods and services. So really, Dfinity has no beef that Facebook Meta decided to use the Infinity symbol. Let's just say Facebook never rebranded. They got rid of that little blue icon with the F in it, and then they just had this Infinity symbol. I doubt that Dfinity would have taken up arms to protect their trademarks and things like that in this crypto industry. I don't think that there would have been a case, but now that Facebook rebranded to Metaverse, which is Meta, which is short for Metaverse, and is now using the same Infinity loop within the industry, this could constitute as some sort of trademark infringement. So I do agree with Dfinity's choice here to sue Meta, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it was for Meta to create this logo. So I'm going to pop open Photoshop here, and we're just going to make 2 moves. That's it. We're just going to make 2 moves. We're going to click here, and then we're going to shorten this width. And Viola, we've got the Meta logo. Very low effort logo, to say the least. They basically just took this Infinity loop and edited it in a similar fashion. So I see it. And what would happen if we took Nike's symbol, applied the same edit to it, and now start selling shoes or start selling clothes or whatever? Do you think Nike would sue me if I started using this symbol on shoes and stuff like that? You're damn right they would sue me, and they would win. So there's really no difference here, if you guys can catch my drift. So really, I do think that this was a wise move to protect the use of the Infinity logo in this cryptocurrency metaverse space on Dfinity's behalf. So now we're going to take a quick peek at the charts for Internet Computer, folks. You can see that we are still looking good, still have the falling wedge despite this last little shakeout that happened here. We still have a Fibonacci time sequence for Internet Computer May 14th. If you guys haven't already, take out your cell phones, plug in May 14th time sequence, increase volatility, or reversal for Dfinity's Internet Computer. Just pause the video and do it, okay? And then check back in with Six Fig Stock Trader around this time frame. So this is 2 weeks out. So right now, when I look at this, price action is too far away from this Ichimoku cloud, in my opinion. Not financial or trading advice, but I would suspect within the next few days, we see ICP possibly bounce. Now, I do think that there might be a chance that we could see ICP possibly run down to this $10 and $10.28 ish level somewhere in that neighborhood, folks. Hold on one second while I get this up and perfect for you guys. Hold on. Here we go. Somewhere in here. So I do think that there is a chance that we see price action maybe come down to this $10, excuse me, and 35-cent level, possibly a wick down to this level. And what I'd like to illustrate is that when we measure this resistance point of about $85, $88, which is going to be an important level to remember in the future, uh, that when I measure from that swing high down to this swing low here, which was the first bounce at $26, we get a Fibonacci retracement that really, really plays out very nicely. We can see that price action came down to the 61.8, obeyed it. Price action came down to the 786, obeyed it, came right back up to the 50, obeyed it, back down. You guys can kind of see how this price action has had a solid relationship with this Fibonacci retracement. Now, when I trade stock options, one of my favorite things to do is ride my contracts down to the 127 or 161.8. 161.8 is nowhere to be found because it is so far down, it would be in negative territory right now. So, with that said, the 127 is a fairly common retracement or extension where traders will flip their positions, meaning that they will go bear if they were bullish and they will go bullish if they were bear. So I don't know, guys. I think that there might be some significance to this May 14th date, and specifically simply because we can see that in hindsight, it predicted a reversal here, predicted a reversal here. Hopefully, we can get somewhat of a reversal here on May 14th. So really, folks, I'm bullish on ICP still, despite what the market says. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please smash that like button. I want to hear from you guys in the comments section. What do you think about this lawsuit with Dfinity? Do you think they'll win? I don't know. I think it's a good argument on their behalf, to say the least. So it's definitely an argument worth having in a courtroom, in my opinion. So with that said, we'll see you guys all on the next video.